welcome to Park Hill South Counseling. Today we are going to give you a short tour on how to find ACT preparation information on our website. First of all, go to our counseling website. We are linked on the front page of the Park Hill South High School website, or you can type in our web address, counselorshs.weebly.com. Once you get to our website, go to the College Planning tab at the very top. On the drop-down menu, go down to Testing and then select the ACT tab. Once you are on our ACT page, you will notice we have quick links to help you register for the ACT test, as well as all kinds of resources, workshops, and boot camps to help you prepare. The first set of workshops are the free ones that we offer at Park Hill South High School during tutorial. These workshops typically meet twice per week. They are taught by PHS core teachers, and they are offered about 3 weeks prior to each ACT test during the regular school year. Be sure to check back on our website for updated dates and times. To sign up for one of these workshops, simply come to the counseling office and sign up on our clipboard. While you're there, be sure to grab a free Practice ACT booklet. The next type of workshops offered are those available through the Park Hill School District Community Education. To find information about these, click on the link provided on our website and scroll down until you get to the online catalog. Once you get to the catalog, you can do a simple search for the ACT workshops that are offered. These are not free and they do cost a fee. Information and registration is taken care of directly through the Park Hill School District Community Education Department. Another free online resource is using the Naviance ACT Test Prep in your Naviance account. Click on the Naviance link on our website or simply type in the address student.naviance.com/PHSHS. Don't forget to use your S number as your username and your password for both. You must put the S with your student ID number. If you have trouble, please contact your counselor. Once you get into Naviance, scroll all the way to the very bottom of the front page and click on the Naviance Test Prep in the bottom left corner. After you are in your test prep website, you will see that Naviance has all kinds of practice tests, lessons, flashcards, and various resources to help you practice for the ACT. Back on our ACT page on our website, at the very bottom, we have many other resources to help you prepare for the ACT. Some of these are free of charge and some cost. Some workshops are hosted by area colleges and universities, and some are offered from private educational companies in the Kansas City area. Having a well thought out game plan of preparation will help your ACT test experience be the best that it can be. With all of our resources listed on our website, we encourage you to find the best opportunity for you. That's it for today. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.